In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch photo in Affinity. First, open Affinity and load the photo you want to work with so it's sitting on your canvas. With the photo visible, click it to make sure it's selected. You'll see a bounding box around the image. For a quick full image stretch, simply drag one of the handles that sit in the middle of each side of the box. Pull a side handle outward to stretch wider, or pull a top or bottom handle to stretch taller. This method uniformly pushes pixels in that direction, so it's perfect when you just need extra width or height to fit a layout. Keep an eye on edges and important subjects so they don't look unnaturally distorted, and make small moves until it looks right. If you want more control over which parts stretch, click the photo again to confirm it's selected, then go to the filters icon and choose Liquify. This opens a focused editing view designed for reshaping. Use the basic push tool to nudge areas outward or inward and effectively stretch specific regions without affecting the entire image. Adjust the brush size to match the area you're working on. A larger brush for broad, gentle shifts, or a smaller one for precise tweaks around details like faces, horizons, or objects. Light, repeated strokes usually give the cleanest result. If something looks overdone, ease back in the opposite direction or reduce the brush pressure for a softer touch. When you're happy, apply the changes to return to your canvas. That's it. You have two simple ways to stretch a photo in Affinity: a fast edge handle drag for overall width or height, and Liquify for targeted, natural-looking adjustments. Use the quick method for layouts and backgrounds, and reach for Liquify when accuracy matters around key subjects. Take your time, check the image as you go, and make small, deliberate adjustments for the most believable results.